Yes, I have definitely lost a file or two.
Loss of communication or collaboration between your coworkers, just a breakdown in that communication.
So one person would open one file, a drawing, I'd have the assembly, and then we would constantly overwrite one another's files, and it was really tedious.
Duplication is not fun.
I've wasted a lot of time searching for parts that I've already made, but I didn't remember how I named them, where do I put it.
Best situation would be to not have to leave SolidWorks to do the other functions that my job requires.
It's a lot of stress, whenever you have something that goes wrong with a file, and then you're just worried about the repercussions that are going to happen. If that could get eliminated, I think more than anything, it would just alleviate a lot of stress and make it a better work environment.
We'd be more productive, we'd get more done. Everything would be just that much more efficient if we didn't have to worry about those other things.
If I had more time to design, I think we would release products a lot faster and we'd make a lot more money.
I think there'd probably be a little sense of ease, a little peace, maybe, I don't know, subconsciously, that something in the back of my mind that I wouldn't be thinking about.
If I had more time to design, personally, I would like that since I do a lot of managerial tasks.
I'd actually spend the time collaborating with my peers and getting their feedback, and then that would translate just to a better design overall, I think.
Release products faster that feel more finished, fewer issues.
I think I would definitely be working on a lot more passion projects instead of just doing the normal everyday things, and really try to express myself through my design work.